Have you ever wondered why Notre-Dame Cathedral stands right beside the Independence Palace and just step away from Saigon Central Post Office? A cathedral positioned at the very heart of power in all of Indochina, it wasn't a coincidence. This location was precisely calculated by the French. In the mid-19th century, the French designed Saigon with a very clear strategy: administration, power, religion. 1863, the Central Post Office, a symbol of communication and control. 1868, the Norodom Palace, the political command center. 1880, Notre-Dame Cathedral, the final Western cultural imprint, completing the axis of authority. The cathedral was intentionally placed at the head of the grand boulevard, facing the palace and perfectly aligned with the post office. From a single viewpoint, you could see the entire machinery of colonial power. Notre-Dame Cathedral began construction in 1877 and was completed in 1880. Every material, the Marseille bricks, the stained glass windows, the steel frames, even the bells, were shipped all the way from France. At first, the cathedral had no bell towers. Only in 1895 were the twin spires added, lifting its height to nearly 60 meters, forever changing Saigon's skyline. In 1959, the statue of Our Lady of Peace was placed at the front square, becoming a spiritual landmark for generations. And despite the wars that swept through Vietnam from 1945 to 1975, the cathedral's core structure remained remarkably intact, a survivor of history.